Welcome back to Mike's Woodshop. Today is a weekly shop update for the week of March 18th. I was going to try and do this ahead of time because last week I was building drawers for the built-ins I did last year, I think. I'll leave a link down in the description below for the video on that. I would have had this out a little bit earlier, but I got home at 3 o'clock in the morning from Atlanta. Some fun things that happened down there. I met more people than I did last year, or made more friends, I should say. I have more stickers. I got to get them up on the door. I'm running out of room down here. I might start on the other door just because I don't want to put them down below. We'll see. I got to check it out. I picked up some tires for my bandsaw, since that's been on there for, I don't know, 15, 16 years. So figure I'd get new ones, throw them on there. I did an interview with Mike Fulton. Hopefully he'll have that out. I'll leave a link to Mike's channel down below. I won some candy. I ate the candy and a Spider-Man, so I'll give it to the kids. I also, my buddy Sterling Davis had given me some Pegasus blades. I'm going to try them out. I have a couple scroll saw patterns I have to finish up, test them out, see if I like them better than the Flying Dutchman. We'll see. See how it goes. Also, I was looking at the Craig booth, and I was looking at the kit they have a package, a cabinet maker's package, which gives you a drawer slide jig, a cabinet hardware jig, and the concealed hinge jig. So I was looking at it, and then my buddy Steve Carmichael walked over and said, "Hey, what are you doing?" I said, "I'm looking at this. I'm building cabinets. I want to be able to do it a little bit quicker, more efficient. Instead of making my own jigs, I was thinking about buying the package." He was like, "Oh, I have that at home. I'm not building any cabinets. I'll give it to you." So, what a nice guy Steve is. He gave me the drawer slide jig, the cabinet hardware jig, and the concealed hinge jig. So, thank you, Steve. I owe you. Saved me a lot. I will leave a short video down below, or not below. I'll have a short video of the floor of the woodworking show. I space out sometimes, I guess, because every time I go to these shows, I bring my camera and I don't video half the time. Or I forget to video, or I forget to do selfies, or, but that was that. It was a fun time. I think next year I might fly down. It's a long drive, and if there's traffic and construction, it's even longer. I also won a contest that I didn't even realize I entered by leaving a comment for Mike's Woodshop, and I won this cool. Tech MCT. It's a bag that you can put your tools in. Oh! Mike sent me a shirt. Thanks, Mike. Mike's Woodshop. I will leave a link down in the description below to Mike's channel. He's a cool guy. He's on YouTube. Check him out. Pretty cool. It's like a heavy duty bag. Got another pocket over this side. Oh, and a shoulder strap. So it's pretty neat. So this will come in handy. I don't exactly know what I'm going to use it for. I don't know if I'm going to put too many tools in it, but we'll definitely use it. Maybe for the camera stuff. Yeah, I think it'll all fit in there. Well, we'll check it out. You'll be seeing this in a couple of videos probably. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate it. Like I said, I'll leave a link down in the description below for everybody's YouTube links or Facebook pages or websites. Also at the show, I stopped at the Triton booth and was talking to Octavian. Gave me a shirt and a hat. Don't be surprised if you start seeing some Triton tools in the shop. Also, don't forget to check back. I will be releasing the video for the Makers Rock album, hopefully tomorrow. I'm gonna work on it pretty much all night tonight to get it done. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, be safe. A lot of stickers I gotta put up.